Welcome to 91 Woodmere Avenue in beautiful Mays Landing, New Jersey. Nestled in the desirable Cedar Point community, this stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home offers over 3,000 square feet of elegant living space. If you've been searching for a move-in ready home with style, space, and convenience, you're gonna love what you see. Welcome to 91 Woodmere in Mays Landing, New Jersey. This beautiful home, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, finished basement, over 3,000 square feet. It's an awesome house. I'm inviting you to join me here for the tour. Right away, you'll notice the beautiful paver driveway leading to the grand elevated entrance. Step inside to a 2-story foyer, elegant staircase, and an abundance of natural light that creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere. All right, so starting off this driveway, beautiful paver driveway, pavers all the way up the walkway here, and these beautiful steps going in to 91 Woodmere here. I love this door as well. It's got an awesome, beautiful door here. So coming in the front entryway here, we have this beautiful foyer here, lots of natural light, and it's just a grand entrance as you come in here. We have an office or den area right here, your formal living room over on this side, your formal dining room, family room in the back. So let's continue on with the tour. This family room is the perfect space to gather with soaring vaulted ceilings and a cozy gas fireplace. Plus, the second staircase offers easy access to the upstairs bedrooms. So now we are in the family room, and this is an awesome space here, the back of the house. We have our gas fireplace here and an additional staircase here going right up to the bedroom. So really convenient access to the upstairs bedrooms. Cathedral ceilings here, just great open space, a lot of natural light in here. Great windows here, again, just looking right out to that fenced backyard. You can see everything really clearly. And we have the beautiful fireplace here. Definitely a great place to cozy up to on a cold day like it is today. The heart of this home is the open concept kitchen featuring 42-inch cabinets, silestone countertops, a center island with seating, and recessed lighting. There's even a pantry for extra storage. So as we come in here, let's take a look at this beautiful kitchen space. We have an eat-in kitchen here, quartz countertops, beautiful cabinetry, 42-inch cabinetry, stainless appliances, and you can see plenty counter space. This counter space wraps all the way around. We have a pantry here, a desk area here, additional upper cabinetry here. So it's a huge kitchen, lots of cabinet space. And I love this sink too here. You have the sink here. You can look right out onto the backyard, that fully fenced backyard area. So welcome to the formal dining room here in 91 Woodmere, and beautiful space here. It's very open also to the living room. So right from the dining room, you can step right in here to the living room. Great space. And this house is about a little over 3,000 square feet, so you have plenty of living area here in this home. And right off the kitchen, step out of the spacious deck where you can enjoy your morning coffee or entertain guests. So now we're in the backyard here. We have this beautiful deck here, and then overlooking a fenced yard. It's a large fenced yard, so this is a great space if you want to do some outdoor gatherings, some sports activities, and just enjoy the backyard space here. At the top of the stairs, you get an incredible overlook of the living area below. The 3 sizable bedrooms share a thoughtfully designed bathroom with separate sinks for added privacy. So inside the hall bathroom here, we have dual vanities and then a separate room for the shower and toilet. The owner's suite is a true retreat featuring a tray ceiling, recessed lighting, and fresh paint, ready for your personal touch. The bathroom is complete with double vanities, a walk-in closet, a stand-up shower, and a soaking tub, perfect for unwinding after a long day. So upstairs now, let's check out the owner's suite here. So I love this entryway. You got double doors coming into the owner's suite. We have tray ceilings here, plenty of space here, and then another set of double doors going into the owner's suite. Bathroom here, we have dual vanities, soaking tub, a separate shower, and the walk-in closet all right off of the bathroom. So upstairs you have 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Let's take a look at the other bedrooms. And let's talk about this amazing finished basement. It's a versatile space ideal for entertaining, a home theater or a playroom. Plus, there's room to expand. Imagine adding a game room or even a home gym. So one of the standout features of this home is the finished basement. As you follow me through here, you see you have this awesome space here. Just a finished area here, rec room, game room, play area, however you want to use this space. Everything's finished very nicely down here. But there's actually more to see down here because you have this whole other section of the basement here, which is space that Could be finished or utilized for additional storage. Do a home gym if you wanted to do a home gym. All your mechanicals are down here. If you wanted to use this as a workshop, you could do that. And then there's even more space over here, additional space that could be finished off if you wanted to have another room, maybe a home office. So lots of flexibility here. Interesting feature with this as well, with this basement, and this is something I really haven't seen anywhere else. This is a whole house or whole basement dehumidifier. So it's a high power dehumidifier. So this space down here is in excellent condition and no humidity really with this. This is an awesome system. So this house has a lot of really nice touches. One of them being this manifold plumbing system. It's a little things, but this can make a big difference. It's just very easy. If you have to shut something off, you can shut off one faucet instead of shutting the whole house down. If you have to change a faucet, if you have a problem, it's very easy just to come in here and shut off individual faucets that are going to different locations within the house. Outside, the backyard is beautifully maintained and fully fenced in for privacy. This home is completely turnkey and ready for you to move right in. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, contact me, Matthew Haviland, at Keller Williams Realty, Atlantic Shore. I specialize in helping buyers and sellers in South Jersey find the perfect property, and I'd love to help you. If you're interested in this home or exploring more options in Mays Landing, reach out to me today. And if you're considering new construction homes in Egg Harbor Township, be sure to check out my video on the latest developments in this area, and you can check that video out right here. Thanks for watching.